Kristina and Lauren Meyering. Kristina and Lauren Meyering. Jason Marsden. Jason Marsden. Bronson Pinchot. Patrika Darbo. Patrika Darbo. Lakin. Sasha Mitchell. Before Step by Step, Duffy co-starred with Mitchell Uncle on Dallas. Today, he is completely transformed from the clean-cut, lovable. Since Step by Step, Mitchell has had a few roles on TV such as Gangland, Jag, NYPD Blue, and He's mainly focused on the kickboxing world with several titles released in 2015, including The Kickboxer, City of Blood, and The Kickboxer, Empire of the Dead. More Sasha Mitchell 564 of 595 American public figures who are national treasures, 79 of 235 all-time greatest martial arts actors, 273 of 432 famous tall men over 6'12". Stacy Keanan. Coming off of the successful My Two Dads, Keanan was the hot ticket to play Dana on Step by Step. Keanan went on to perform in films Hidden Secrets and Death and Cremation. In 2010, she made an appearance with Step by Step co-stars Patrick Duffy and Lakin in the film You Again. She also legally changed her name to Stacy from Stasa. Patrick Duffy. Duffy was kind of a big deal in the 80s when he played Bobby Ewing on the wildly popular Dallas. He reprised the role in the TNT series remake that ran from 2012 to 2014. He also stole hearts on The Bold and the Beautiful, and he's shown his funny side on Walk Hard, the Dewey Cox story. But he'll always be the man from Atlantis to us. Suzanne Somers. Before she was Carol, Somers was Chrissy Snow on Three's Company. Even though her run on the show ended very messily with contract and money disputes, Somers will forever be the girl who knew how to wear that top ponytail. She has been dubbed Queen of the Infomercial and has promoted everything from anti-aging cream to the Thigh Master. Somers has not only survived breast cancer, but also her controversial stances on several issues, such as medicine. She is also opposed to water fluoridation. In 2013, she suggested that Sandy Hook Elementary School shooter Adam Lanza was under the influence of toxins from household cleaners and food preservatives. Somers has also been a favorite target of South Park. More Suzanne Somers 554 of 904 Celebrity Death Pool 2021 335 of 339 The Funniest People of All Time 150 of 282 The Funniest Female Comedians of All Time.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.